In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the shutter sound on your Samsung device. The shutter sound is the noise that your phone makes whenever you take a photo. Sometimes, you may find it necessary to silence this sound, especially in situations where you don't want to disturb others around you. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit, and tap Sounds and Vibration. Now what you want to do next is mute your phone, because that is the only way you can turn off the shutter sound. So go ahead and tap Mute. Now you can take photos silently. If you don't want to completely mute your device, there is another option. Tap System Sound, and then move this slider all the way to the left. This will also turn off the shutter sound on your Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.